Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Easter Bunny earrings. These adorable little bunny earrings are made using Swarovski Crystal pearls for the body and then seed beads for the ears. And it's the perfect design to wear for Easter or any time this spring. To make these earrings, you're going to need size 15 transparent light Ballerina pink AB seed beads, and then size 15 opaque white luster seed beads, 2 8mm pearlescent white Swarovski crystal round pearl beads, and then 2 of the 10mm, a pair of 11mm silver base metal French ear wires, 20 inches of 26 gauge tarnish resistant silver round artistic wire, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and cutters. You can find all of the product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. To make these Easter Bunny earrings, you first want to cut 10 inches of wire, and then you want to make a wire wrap loop on one end. So to do that, take your chain nose pliers about an inch or so down, make a 90-degree bend, take your round nose pliers, and then just rotate your wire around the nose of those round nose to form a loop. Okay, and then you just want to hold the loop with your chain nose, and then either with your finger or another pair of chain nose pliers, you just want to wrap that wire down, a total of about 3 times. And then you just want to take your wire cutters, cut off that tail. Okay, so there you have your wire wrap loop. That's going to be the top of your earring. Okay, now you want to string 12 of the pink seed beads. These pink seed beads and the white seed beads are used to just make the cute little ears here at the top. Let's see, that's 6. Okay, so I think that's 12 there. Let's see. Okay, so there's 12 of the pink beads. You want to bring that to the end. You made the wire wrap loop. And now you want to leave a little bit of space between that wire wrap and the bead. And then you're just going to create a loop. And then wrap the wire around one time. Just want to make sure there's a little bit of space between that wire wrap you made and the beads. Okay, so we're just going to repeat that one more time for the other ear. So just string 12 of the pink seed beads. Okay, so there's another 12. Bring it down, and then again, leaving a little bit of room to make a loop. And then wrap the wire around one time, just leaving a little bit of space between the wire wrap loop and the beads. Okay, you can kind of form them a little bit, just squish them. Okay, so now we just want to add the white seed beads for the outside part of the ear. There we're going to string 24 beads. So I'm actually going to go ahead and string these beads, so 24 of the white ones. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I have 24 of the white seed beads. And now you want to just make another loop around the pink beads. Okay, and then that little bit of space left between the beads and that wire wrap, just wrap one time. That's just going to anchor that on there. Then you can squeeze, kind of just squeeze those beads closer together. Like that. Okay, so there's one side. And I just want to repeat that for the other side. So I'm just going to go ahead and string 24 beads again for this side. Okay, so I strung up 24 more seed beads on the other side. And I'm just going to repeat what I did over here, and that's just make a loop around that smaller loop. And then there's a little bit of space that we left between the beads and that wire wrap. So you're just going to go ahead and wrap the wire around there one time. Okay, then again, you just want to form the ear a little bit. Bring them up a little closer to each other. Make them a little skinnier. Just pinch them together gently. And then with mine, I kind of just like to add one ear, just kind of straight out like that. And then with this other one, I kind of just give it a little bend on one side to make just that cute little bunny ear. Okay, so then once you got those little ears done, you just want to add the body. So now to this length of wire that's left, just want to string one 8mm and then one 10mm pearl bead. Bring those up to the ears. And then with the tail, you want to make it be about 2 inches long. So you can take your tape measure or just kind of eyeball it to be about 2 inches. Then just cut that, any extra you might have. Okay, and then from here, we're just going to create that cute little spiral wire bunny tail. So to do that, take the end of that wire, take your round nose pliers, and then that very tip of the round nose pliers, you want to create a really tiny little loop. Just like that. And then you want to take your chain nose. You're going to hold that loop, and you're just going to rotate your wire. Or you're going to rotate your pliers. Up the wire to create this little spiral. So you want to continue to do that until you get to the beads. Just kind of go slow. You don't want your wire to overlap. You want it to be just nice spiral rows here. Just slowly just pinch the wire gently with your chain nose. Just continue going up towards the beads. Okay, so then when you get close, just bend the wire 90-degree angle. Just bring that last little bit in. Just like that. So now you have this cute little wire spiral at the bottom. Okay, so then once the body and the ears are all made, you just want to attach your ear wire. So to do that, just open up the loop of the ear wire with your chain nose pliers, and then put it through that wire wrap loop, and close that ear wire loop right back up. And there you go. You just want to repeat that for your other earring. Now you have a super cute little pair of earrings to make for yourself or a fun gift this spring. You can find all of the tools and materials for these Easter bunny earrings at fusionbeads.com.